Square root of x plus 32 is minus the square root of x is equal to 4x can be which of the following? I'm going to have to get rid of the square root, and how do I do that? Well, let me first move the square root of x to the other side. I could do that by adding root x to both sides, giving me the square root of x plus 32 is equal to 4 plus root x. And then to get rid of the square root, I'm going to have to square it. So we square both sides, and on the left side it's just going to be x plus 32. And then on the right side, we actually have to FOIL this out. FOIL. So it's going to be 4 plus root x times 4 plus root x. F stands for multiplying the two first terms. 4 times 4 is 16. O stands for multiplying the two outer terms. 4 times root x is 4 root x. I stands for multiplying the two inner terms. That's also going to be 4 root x. And then L stands for multiplying the two last terms, which is going to be just x. And then we add up like terms. It's going to be 16 plus 8 root x plus x. So on the right side, it's going to be 16 plus 8 root x plus x. I'm just going to solve it over here. So if I subtract x on both sides, that's actually going to cancel out x on both sides of the equation. That's going to give me 32 is equal to 16 plus 8 root x. And let me move all of the constants to the other side. So I could subtract 16 on both sides, giving me 16 is equal to 8 root x. And to get rid of the coefficient, I could divide both sides by 8, giving me root x is equal to 2. And to get rid of the square root, again, you square it. So that's going to be x is equal to 4. And that is going to be the answer, C.